Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Deep Sea Repository. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. India has designated the Bhavasagara Referral Centre at the Centre for Marine Living Resources and Ecology as the national repository for deep sea fauna. This initiative, launched by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, marks a pivotal step in strengthening India's deep sea research capabilities. Now let's discuss about key features of National Repository for Deep Sea Fauna. The Bhavasagara Referral Centre has been officially recognized as a national repository under the Biological Diversity Act 2002. The centre will now house and preserve deep-sea fauna specimens, including type specimens for new species discovered in Indian waters. It is empowered to foster capacity building in deep-sea taxonomy and maintain secure custody of deep-sea biological samples, offering a crucial resource for ocean science. It also plays a role in supporting India's blue economy and marine biodiversity frameworks. Now let's discuss about deep sea. The deep sea is the largest and oldest biome on Earth, covering nearly 90 to 95% of the planet's habitable space. It consists of ocean regions that lie below approximately 200 meters in depth, extending to the abyssal plains. Despite harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures, high pressure, and the absence of sunlight, the deep sea is home to unique ecosystems and an abundance of life. This biome plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate and supports complex marine food webs. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding National Repository for Deep Sea Fauna. It is housed at the Bhavasagara Referral Centre in the Centre for Marine Living Resources and Ecology, CMLRE. The repository was established under the provisions of the Biological Diversity Act 2002. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.